a bite? Yay! Good job. Just chew it. You look at Daddy. Can you do it again? You're doing good. Yay! Yay! Let's see you do it again. Take a bite. Your turn. No, hold it. Good job.
Chew, chew, chew. Don't worry about that tongue. Just keep doing that. Chew, chew, chew. Okay.
Probably thinks we look silly.
That's how it gets stuck in your mouth.
Yep. You gonna do it? You gonna eat it? You gotta get that tongue out of your way. Yeah. You're gonna get a big piece. Yeah.
I'll stop it now.
Yeah.